Meaning of given name.
Given name.
Given name.
Given name.
Given name. A given name, also known as a first name or forename, is the name that a person receives at birth or during their christening or naming ceremony. It is usually chosen by the child's parents or guardians and identifies an individual apart from others in their family. In some cultures, the given name may hold significant meaning or symbolism and is often chosen with great care. In many countries, it is common to have both a given name and a surname, which together make up a person's full legal name.